2000 21-foot Seacraft center console presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales. Nice Fighting Lady yellow hull. Repowered in 2012 with a 175 Repowered E-Tech. Lenco trim tabs. Step aboard. Nice storage compartment in either aft corner of the boat. Live well in deck with LED lights and recirculation. Nice leaning post with rod holders across the back. T-top rocket launchers and spreader lights. Dash on the boat, all new Repowered controls. iCommand digital gauge. Switches. New hydraulic steering, Edson steering wheel with power knob. Stereo. VHF radio. Garmin GPS map 182C. Furuno FCV 585 sounder. Enclosure around the helm. Nice seat in front of the helm. Cooler. Access in front of your helm there. Nice open bow area. Coaming bolsters 360 degrees around. Nice big boxes in the bow of the boat here also. All pop-up cleats, pop-up nav lights, nice clean gunnels all the way around. Canvas T-top. This is our 2000 21-foot Seacraft, repowered with a 175 E-Tech in 2012, presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales.